Hey everyone, it's Mariano Rodriguez, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that I know a lot of you have been asking about. We're going to explore the top 7 work-from-home jobs that pay well. And here's the best part, require absolutely no prior experience. No experience needed. These days, more and more people are looking for ways to break free from the traditional 9-to-5 grind and create a more flexible lifestyle. These work-from-home jobs offer exactly that, the freedom to work on your own terms, from the comfort of your own home. And the best part is, these aren't just random dead-end jobs. We're talking about legitimate opportunities with real earning potential. So if you're ready to ditch the commute and take control of your career, stick around, because we're about to break down these incredible work-from-home opportunities. Alright, let's kick things off with our first work-from-home job, becoming a virtual assistant. Now you might be thinking, what exactly does a virtual assistant do? Well, in a nutshell, a virtual assistant is like a superhero sidekick for entrepreneurs, businesses, and really anyone who needs an extra hand with their day-to-day tasks. Think of it as being the ultimate right-hand person, but instead of sharing a physical office, you're collaborating virtually. So what does a day in the life of a virtual assistant look like? Honestly, it varies depending on who you're working for. One day, you could be managing emails and scheduling appointments, and the next you could be handling social media, booking travel, or even doing some light bookkeeping. The tasks are super diverse, which keeps things interesting, and the skills you learn are incredibly valuable. And the best part? You don't need any prior experience to get started. Most virtual assistant roles don't require any specific certifications or degrees. As long as you're organized, have great communication skills, and are comfortable using computers and the internet, you're good to go. Now you're probably wondering, how much can I actually make as a virtual assistant? Well, the earning potential is pretty solid, especially as you gain experience and build your client base. On average, virtual assistants make anywhere from $15 to $30 per hour, and some even more depending on their skill set and the clients they work with. Not bad for a job you can do from your couch, right? Getting started is easier than you think. There are tons of platforms out there specifically designed to connect virtual assistants with potential clients. A couple of the most popular ones are Upwork and Fiverr. Create a profile, set your rates, and start applying for jobs that interest you. Next up, we have online tutoring, a fantastic option for those of you who love sharing their knowledge with others. And let me tell you, the demand for online tutors has exploded in recent years. With more and more students opting for online learning, there's never been a better time to cash in on this growing industry. The beauty of online tutoring is that you can teach pretty much any subject you're passionate about. Whether you excel at math, science, English, history, music, or even a foreign language, there's an online student out there who needs your help. You can find students of all ages, from elementary school kids to college students and even adults. So how much can you make as an online tutor? Well, it depends on your experience, the subject you teach, and the platform you use. On average, online tutors make anywhere from $15 to $50 per hour, and some experienced tutors in high-demand subjects can even earn more. Getting started with online tutoring is pretty straightforward. There are numerous online platforms that connect tutors with students. Two popular platforms to check out are VIPKid and Chegg Tutors. While some platforms might require certain qualifications, many others only require you to have a passion for teaching and a strong understanding of the subject you're tutoring. If you've got a knack for words and a passion for storytelling, then freelance writing could be your golden ticket to working from home. And trust me, the opportunities in the freelance writing world are absolutely endless. Think about it. Every website, blog, and online publication needs engaging and well-written content. That's where you come in. As a freelance writer, you can find work writing articles, blog posts, website copy, social media content, email campaigns, and so much more. So, how much can you make as a freelance writer? Well, it depends on your experience, the type of writing you do, and your clients. On average, freelance writers charge anywhere from 10 cents to $1 per word, but some experienced writers command even higher rates. One of the best ways to find freelance writing gigs is through online platforms like ProBlogger and Freelancer. These platforms have job boards specifically for freelance writers, making it easy to find work that aligns with your skills and interests. Build a strong online portfolio to showcase your writing skills. You can create a simple website or use a platform like Contently to showcase your best work. Chapter 4. Customer Service Representative, help people and get paid. Okay, let's be real, not everyone loves dealing with customer service, but if you're someone who enjoys helping people and resolving issues, then working as a remote customer service representative could be a great fit. The demand for remote customer service reps is higher than ever. Companies are realizing that they can provide excellent customer support without needing everyone in a physical call center. That means more opportunities for you to work from the comfort of your own home. As a customer service representative, you'll be the voice of the company, answering questions, resolving issues, and providing support to customers through phone, email, or live chat. The average salary for a remote customer service representative is around $35,000 to $45,000 per year, but this can vary depending on the company, experience, and location. If you're looking for companies that hire remote customer service reps, some great places to start your search are Amazon, Apple, and American Express. They're known for their strong remote work cultures and competitive pay and benefits. Do you live and breathe social media? Are you always the first to know the latest trends on TikTok or Instagram? If so, then a career as a social media manager could be right up your alley. Social media managers are the masterminds behind a company's social media presence. They develop and execute social media strategies, create engaging content, manage social media advertising, and track analytics to measure success. And the best part? You don't need a fancy degree to become a social media manager. While a marketing degree can be helpful, it's not always required. What's more important is having a deep understanding of social media platforms, strong communication skills, and a knack for creating engaging content. Entry-level social media managers can expect to make around $40,000 to $50,000 per year, while experienced social media managers with proven track records can earn upwards of $70,000 or more. To find social media management jobs, start by updating your LinkedIn profile and making sure it highlights your social media skills and experience. You can also use job search websites like Indeed and Monster to find open positions. Alright, if you're looking for a job that's relatively simple, easy to learn, and doesn't require a lot of experience, then becoming a data entry clerk could be a great option. Now I know what you're thinking. Data entry? That sounds kind of boring. And yeah, it might not be the most glamorous job in the world, but it's a solid way to make money from home. Plus, it can be a great way to get your foot in the door with a company and potentially work your way up to more challenging roles. So, what does a data entry clerk actually do? Essentially, you'll be responsible for inputting data into computer systems. This could involve anything from entering customer information into a database to transcribing handwritten documents or updating spreadsheets. The earning potential for data entry clerks is decent, especially for a job that requires minimal experience. On average, data entry clerks make around $15 to $20 per hour, but this can vary depending on the company, location, and your typing speed and accuracy. To find data entry jobs, check out websites like ClickWorker and Dion Data Solutions. Last but not least, we have transcription, a fantastic work-from-home option for those of you who have excellent listening skills and a knack for typing. As a transcriptionist, your job is to listen to audio or video recordings and transcribe them into written documents. These recordings could be anything from interviews and podcasts to meetings and medical dictations. The earning potential for transcriptionists can vary depending on your experience, typing speed, and the type of transcription work you do. On average, transcriptionists make around $15 to $25 per hour, but some experienced transcriptionists in specialized fields like legal or medical transcription can earn significantly more. If you're interested in becoming a transcriptionist, there are several online platforms that connect transcriptionists with clients. Two popular platforms to check out are Rev and TranscribeMe. Most platforms provide you with the resources and guidelines you need to get started. So there you have it, the top 7 work-from-home jobs that pay well and don't require any prior experience. From becoming a virtual assistant to diving into the world of freelance writing or even exploring the exciting realm of social media management, there's a perfect work-from-home opportunity out there for everyone. Remember, the key to success in any of these roles is to be dedicated, motivated, and willing to learn and grow. If any of these jobs interest you, start exploring and applying today. You never know what amazing opportunities await you in the world of remote work. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content just like this. Until next time, keep crushing it.